But let me try it out to show you that it's working without signing in or creating an account. Let me just write something like write a poem with the name Dennis. Then click on search. Just wait for it to load for some few minutes. Okay, this is the result. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Dennis, and in this channel I'm going to be giving out tips and tricks on how to resolve issues on your smartphone and also on your laptop. And I'm going to be coming up with new videos, that is AI. I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, Gemini AI, Sora, which is the new future of ChatGPT. And I'm going to be showing you how you can use all of this AI to make a decent amount of money for yourself. That's passive income. And also I'm going to be touching Facebook, TikTok, how to get monetized in countries that are banned. So guys, get ready. If you want to be part of this big upcoming videos, please make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification panel so that you won't lose any video. Anytime that I post, you'll be the first one to get notified. And also give me a like so that YouTube can propose the videos to others. That's recommending to others. So guys, without a waste of time, let's continue. Okay, friends, I have a good news for you. Those that were struggling to have ChatGPT using the backdoor, that's using VPNs and other tricks to have access to ChatGPT. It just made everything easy. OpenAI has changed everything. Now you can have access to ChatGPT without signing up for an account or doing any tricks. So guys, stay with me to this video to the end, and I'm going to be showing you how to have access to it. So let's dive into it. Okay guys, coming over to my browser here, I'm just going to search for OpenAI. And you're also free to use any browser of your choice, but I'm going to be using this one. After typing the OpenAI, click on search, wait for the results. Okay, these are the results, and you're just going to click on this first one here, this first result here, and it's going to be the same thing for your Android phone and your iPhone. So click on it. Just give it a few minutes to load. So guys, as I earlier said in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this ChatGPT and make a cool amount of money in this online space for yourself. I'm going to be showing you everything, every chatbot, every AI, how to use it and make money for yourself. Also, we'll be using this ChatGPT to write books, PDFs, and other cool stuff. So you're just going to come here on this try ChatGPT. So I'm going to click here. Wait for it to load. Okay, you can see this the result. We have it here. Let me move this recording up here. Okay, here you can see this the search bar. If I click here, I can basically search anything that I want. You can see it has given some examples here. Explain the code, compare marketing strategies, brainstorm edge cases, write an email. So as I earlier said, you can see it's giving its own suggestions. But let me try it out to show you that it's working without signing in or creating an account. Let me just write something like write a poem with the name Dennis. Then click on search. Just wait for it to load for some few minutes. Okay, this is the result. So guys, this is the result I've gotten, but this is just a basic way of prompting the chatbot. In the upcoming videos, I will be showing you how you can better use this ChatGPT to have professional write-ups. Professional, that's what we call prompt engineering. I'm going to be showing you how to go about it, have everything done in a better way. So this is just a basic way of prompting. So and if you don't want to miss anything that will be coming up in the next videos, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That's the most important thing. Subscribing and turning on the notification bell will always keep you updated at any time that I upload a new video. And remember, I said it's a starting point. So I just want everybody to get this chat GPT so that we can be moving up all together without leaving anybody behind. Those that will be coming after, they will have to watch this video so that they can follow up with us in the upcoming videos that I said. We are going to be using it to make money online and do other stuff. It can even help you in your studies and so other things. So you can see how it looks. So guys, if you still want me to make a video on how to have a ChatGPT account that you can sign up, you have a personal account where you do your things, leave it in the comment section below. Please make the video. Then I'll be glad to make the video for you. I'll go through all the comments in the comment section. So subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss this out. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get everything done. Don't miss out on these videos. It will be mind-blowing. This is just a start up. Make sure you get this chat GPT so we can all be moving together at the same time. So guys, if you love what I'm doing on this channel, if you love the value that I'm providing on this channel, please, as I earlier said, consider subscribing, give me a like, and turn on that notification bell. That's the most important thing. Turning on that notification bell and subscribing will keep you notified at any time. Stay safe and see you in the next one.